Hey guys, we're here at County Line Fright in Yucaipa. I'm really excited because we've never actually been here before. And they have an escape room, and in the maze, we're supposed to be going after a serial killer. You know, I should probably arm up. You know, you gotta be ready for anything. I hope this will be enough. Here we go. Oh man. Oh! Oh! Okay.
Fuck, dude, they're all dead.
Are you okay, officer?
They're all dead.
Well, who's not everybody? Who's all?
My guys, all 5 of them.
I don't have a weapon. Should I really be going in there?
Hey, you volunteered to do this. It's my job.
I did. Where
Get
did
in there.
I don't know that I volunteered for this, guys. Kill the man. Ooh. This guy has a specific movie list. I did not think that was open. Oh no. I don't like having open doors. I'm scared. Pictures of dolls. That's not a good sign. Oh gosh. Oh, that's super gross. Oh god. So freaky. Oh man. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Oh,
oh, guests! I love it when I have guests.
Oh yeah?
Thank you for coming to dinner. Would you like some leg of Larry?
I'm full. I had like a really good dinner.
I have chili inside of our fridge. I'm the 3rd place winner. Go ahead and open that door for me, please.
Okay.
If you could find it for me, straight out back. Do you see it back there? All the way.
All
Keep
the
on
way?
going.
Really?
You see it back there?
No, I don't see anything. I just see darkness. Oh no. Oh no. Help me. Where is he? Oh god. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. What is that?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I don't know. I regret being here.
What are you doing here? Going in there gonna catch your camera! It's you done!
Oh god. Oh my god, that's actually.
Hurry! Yeah, good evening. Make sure you let that toilet clean for you.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
No.
You hide, and I'll find you.
Oh
You're going to die in there. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Stop playing!
No.
Please be quiet. Keep quiet, please. He's gonna hear you.
Oh my God!
Okay. Okay. Hi. No. The maze is over! The maze is over!
That's not over you. See you later.
So I'm like, okay, dude, like,